Now, welcome to your beautiful home. Hi, this is Jake Bautista and we'd like to welcome you to a brand new MetroGuide Realty house tour. Today we are presenting a brand new, sleek and modern 5-bedroom house and lot for sale located here in Paranaque City, Metro Manila. This property has such a striking design and is located on a 280 square meter lot with a combined floor area of 363 square meters across 2 levels. The first thing you notice here is that blend of the wooden elements with that adobe stone design. Now let's go. Through the pedestrian gate, to your left, let's explore your parking area. That stone design is very evident here, and you have such a high ceiling, and the parking is almost completely covered already. You can fit about 3 sedans here, and you have access towards the side of the house through this additional security gate. And right over here, you have stairs leading up to your main entry. This home has a very refined feel with a tempered glass barrier right here, with also a very minimalist look. And you have an elevated vantage point here over the street. Okay. And you have such a large main door here made of natural wood. Now, welcome to your beautiful home. This property has a very modern feel, from the ceiling height, the cove lighting, the neutral colors that you have throughout the space, how it blends with the large format tiles with a matte finish and a marble design. You also have an outlet located here in the middle, so that if you have your living room set right here in the middle, you won't have wires going all over the place. Another noticeable thing here is the height of the doors. You can see right here the door height. On this side, the main door. And you already have a split type air conditioning unit for the living space upon entry. So you have this area, this can be a foyer space. You could have a table here as an additional display as you go in and out of the house. Even a small living room set right here, and then an additional living room set on this side. You see you have a separate cove design here for the ceiling and a provision for a light fixture, because after you purchase the home and you get your own interior designer, you might want to introduce your own personal aesthetic to this home. And from here you have your dining area. Your dining space has room enough for a large table. One of the most noticeable aspects of the design of this home for the amenity space of the living and dining area are the floor-to-window sliding doors covering the entire side of the ground level. So you can open these up, leading out to a wooden patio space. So this has a very relaxing feel, but of course, you can have all of these trimmed after you purchase the home. So you have a very garden-like feel in this space. But of course, if you want to maximize that area, you can potentially have those plants trimmed or replaced. It's up to you. But the look of having those large plants complements the polished and stylish feel of the living and dining space. And now, from your dining area, let's now explore your modern kitchen. What's striking to me for this area is the design of the countertops. This is such a modern and beautiful design. And it's like a more pronounced version of the design of the flooring. This is where you can have your refrigerator, and you already have an Elba branded range hood. You have an Elba induction cooktop, and then a stainless steel sink, and a microwave and oven already included. And I like how smooth and sleek the cabinetry is. Such a nice contrast for the splash tile right here. And the designers were able to make sure that there's still a window here for additional ventilation and lighting. And check that out, you have such a nice view of the bamboo plants on this side of the house. Now, let's very quickly go through this space to give you an orientation of the home. So you have access here towards the parking area. And then on this side, you have an auxiliary space with an additional sink. And then this is where you have the staff room. So you have your staff room here, a second staff room here, and then you have a shared bathroom on this side. And then right here, you have your laundry space. This is where you can have your washing machine. And then this is also where you can find the water pump for the property. And then, just to orient you, we go around the corner of the house now, back to the wooden patio space here, beside the living and dining areas. Let's head back in. Going around here. Now it's time to explore the first room in the house, and I cannot get over the height of the doors. Gives you such a grand feel for the home. So this can be a first bedroom, but it can be a multi-purpose room because of this sliding door, which gives you access once again to the side of the house. So this can be an entertainment room, a home office, study room, playroom. It's up to you, but there's already storage here and an ensuite bathroom. And the bathrooms in this home do not disappoint. They are consistent in terms of the aesthetic and modern feel as the rest of the house. And on this side, for convenience, of course, you have your powder room for your guests. So I'm just gonna walk in. So you even have a urinal right here. And then, what's noticeable here are the large format tiles. And then, you have your staircase leading up to the next level, and of course, you have an empty space right here. It's up to you how you want to maximize this after purchasing the home. This can be potentially converted into a storage area, or it's up to you, potentially even a small bar space. Let's head on up. The stairs have a natural wood design, but they also have a floating staircase design, and it's such a cool feeling as you ascend. And you also have such a unique light fixture right here, leading to the second level. Now you're immediately welcomed by a family dense space right here. So what's nice is it doesn't get in the way of the path between the rooms here going to the staircase. So you can have a big television set right here and an L-shaped couch, and people can be going in and out of the rooms, but this area won't be in the way. And now let's explore the second, third, fourth bedrooms on this side of the property, and then we'll cap off the tour with the primary bedroom. Let's begin right here. This is the second bedroom. So what I immediately notice about this is the shadow line here, giving additional depth to the ceiling space. And you still have a significant ceiling height for the rooms here in the second level. You have natural light and you have built-in cabinetry. And this is quite plenty because you already have this row and then another one here with space enough for even a queen-sized bed. And you have your ensuite bathroom. You have a lighted mirror. And once again, floor to ceiling tiling. And check that out. You have a rainfall shower head already built into the ceiling. And even the floor to ceiling doors are consistent for the bedrooms here in the second level. Okay, and now we're gonna take a look at the third bedroom right here. So the difference between this room and the other room is the amount of storage space, but you still have a dedicated cabinet right here, and you can potentially have a semi-double bed on this side. And you already have a Daikin inverter split type air conditioning unit. And right here, you have an ensuite bathroom with a tempered glass shower enclosure. And once again, you have that rainfall shower head positioned high up. And you have a very modern drain as well for the shower, not the traditional square drains. And now let's check out your fourth bedroom. Now, this fourth bedroom is consistent with what you've seen in the second bedroom with two sets of cabinets. One upon entry and then another one here with plenty of space left over for a large bed. And you even have convenience switches right here. So you see that the bed is supposed to be on this side, and then you also have a built-in outlet right here for your nightstand. And on this side you have your ensuite bathroom. So I'm gonna walk in so that you can appreciate the size of the space. Okay, and the shower fixture here is Grohe branded. This property feels very prime, very luxurious, and it feels very well put together. What's nice also is this is located very near the main amenity areas and park areas of this village. You have an additional storage space here, which is great as a linen closet. And now it's time to explore your fifth room, which is also your master bedroom. Oh, so the unique part of this room is the cladding design on this side. And this color is a fantastic complement to the neutral color of the walls and the wooden design of the ceiling. So you can have your television set right here. You already have the cable provision and then the bed on this side. And then the front of the house is right here and you have a floor to ceiling window, giving you a view of the street as well and the surrounding community. And to save space, you have a pocket sliding door here leading to your walk-in closet area. So you can potentially have a lighted mirror here. It's up to you. And you have plenty of storage space. It's a dedicated room. And what's nice also is you have a large window here. But of course, you can potentially have this covered with rolling blinds or curtains for additional privacy. And right here, we have another sliding pocket door. See, it just slides between the space of the wall and the cabinet here. And here we have your master bathroom. I love the layout of this bathroom. If you stand right here in the middle, you can see how cohesive the whole bathroom looks. You have a bathtub right here, and then you have a dual vanity sink space with a beautiful lighted mirror on this side, and then a water closet right here. And on this side, you have your separate space for the shower area. And what I like also is that in terms of the feel, you have that marble design as well for the bathroom, which is cohesive with the aesthetic that you see all the way to the ground level. Walking back, we're now here in your master bedroom, and back here out towards the den space. And that caps off our house tour of this brand new 5-bedroom modern house for sale located in Paranaque City. If you want to know more about this property or visit it in person, just click the description below where you can get in touch with us through our email and number shown there. You can also send us a message and follow us through Instagram and Facebook, and now also on TikTok. And if you have a property you'd like to feature through our channel, you can send us a message at MetroGuideRealty@gmail.com. Once again, my name is Jake Bautista. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.